Boy, 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 boy. Onye nọ na klaasị n'ụbọchị taa? Ndewonu. Ehihie ọma nụ. I welcome you all to my Igbo language class. At the end of today, you should be able to learn the names of clothes, let's say fashion and accessories in Igbo. You should be able to know when you are putting on a particular clothes or any other accessory, to know the name of what you are wearing in Igbo. I want to encourage you, please don't panic. It is very simple. Igbo language is very, very simple and very sweet to learn. Okay? Not when you travel home to meet granny and grandpa, you'll be speaking English for them. Speak Igbo. It makes them happy. Alright? So let's start by knowing that unique name. The Igbos call the following: dress, jacket, shirt, sweater, jeans, pants, hair tie, and scarf. Alright, what is that special name the Igbos call dress? We call dress generally uwe. Uwe. Jacket, uwe oyi. Uwe oyi. Oyi means cold. Okay, it is one of the clothes we put on during cold weather. Shirt, uwe ahu. I believe you can still remember the meaning of ahu. Ahu means body. Okay, sweater, uwe ichu oyi. Uwe ichu oyi. It is another kind of clothes we wear during cold weather. Alright, jeans, uwe uku. Pants, uwe uku. Hair tie, ịchafụ isi. Ịchafụ isi. Scarf, ịchafụ. Okay, you can see a little similarity between hair tie and scarf. Hair tie is ịchafụ isi. You can actually tie it on your head, okay? Okay, but scarf, you can also tie it on your head and also cross it on your neck, okay? Okay, I believe that is very, very clear to us. Alright, let's go ahead and look at some other accessories. Other things we combine to make us look very lovely. Okay, one of them is tie. Tie, the Igbos call it eriri olu. Shoes, akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Socks, uwe ụkwụ. Now, also note the difference between uku and ụkwụ. Uku is your waist. Ụkwụ is your leg. Okay? The slight difference there is just in uku, there is no dot under the two U. Okay? But ụkwụ, you have dots under the two U. Ụkwụ, uku. Alright. Let's go ahead. Bracelet, mgbanaka or ọlaaka. Jewelry, ọla. You know, inside jewelry we have so many things. For example, the earring, necklace, the bracelet, and so on and so forth. Okay? So the general name the Igbos call jewelry is ọla. I believe that is clear. Necklace, ihe olu or ọla olu. Okay? Earring, ọla ntị. Ọla ntị. Ring, ọla aka. Ọla aka. Bag, akpa. Hat, okpu. wristwatch, elekere aka, elekere aka, eyeglasses, igogbe anya, igogbe anya. Ọ dị mma, ebe a ka anyị ga-akwụsị nke ụbọchị taa. But I still want you to know that for you to learn Igbo very fast and become an expert, okay, is just practice. The secret is practice. Practice always. If you have an Igbo person in your family, in your house, please go ahead and practice with the person. You can just come back and say, lee ọla ntị m gotere gị. Okay? Or you can ask the person, uwe a m yi, ọ dabakwara adaba n'akpa a m si? Are you getting it? Or you can just ask your mommy, lekwa uwe ịchụ oyi m gotere gị. Just try to practice because practice makes perfect. Okay? All right. Please do well to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is posted. I will see you again in our next class, if Christ tarries. Ọ bụ nwanne unu, ibe ya Okwuche na-asị unu, nọdịnụ mma, Chukwu gọzie unu. Ndewonu, ka emesịanụ.